Assalamualaikum class 8th. We are doing unit number 3, media and its impact. We have done reading, we have done all difficult words meaning, and we have also done textbook question answers. Now I'm going to start book exercise. Today date is 8/7/2020. It's my 16th lecture and day is Wednesday. See the theme of the unit. The theme of the unit is to highlight the role and impact of media. So we know that in this chapter we highlight the role of media and also discuss the powerful impact of the media. It tells that media can mold the opinion and mindset of people. Yes, media can also change the opinion and mindset of the people. It has a deep impact on the life of people. Media has turned the world into a global village. All of these points we have discussed during the lecture, and it is the theme of the unit. What you have to do, you have to write the question first. What is the theme of the unit? Media and its impact. It will be the question. Then you will write the theme of the unit from there and also learn it. See book exercise. It's on page number 25. Comprehension. Summarize the major points of unit in the given mind map. So mind map is given. See the topic, the role of media and its impact, and we have to write all the important points we have learned from the chapter. First one is media is the most powerful mode of communication. It plays constructive role for society. It can play positive role and has corrective impact if works honestly. It becomes mouthpiece of downtolerance. World become global village. It helps people to share knowledge. So all of these points we have discussed during the chapter. See question answers. Question number B. Answer the following questions. 5 questions are given in your book exercise. See question number 5. It is your home task. Give 3 reasons in support of your favorite TV program. So it is your home task. Last question, question number 5 is your home task because you have to write your own favorite TV program. All the students select one TV program and give 3 reasons why this program is favorite for you. It is your home task. Rest of the 4 questions I will discuss. What is the most important function that media performs? Let me show you my notes. Question number 1. What is the most important function that media performs? It raises awareness about many social issues like corruption, terrorism, drug addiction, and violation of human rights. Media has also become a mouthpiece of the downtrodden. It keeps an eye on every segment of the society. Through debates and talk shows, it makes everyone answerable and accountable. All of these points are discussed in the unit. What are the 2 major means of communication? Electronic media and print media are the 2 major means of communication. It includes film, radio, television, internet, books, magazine, and newspaper. It provides us information as well as entertainment. So we have to discuss what are the 2 major means of communication: print media and electronic media. And also we have given the example of print media and electronic media. It provides us information and entertainment. How does media provide entertainment? Electronic media includes film, radio, TV, and internet. TV is a very fine medium of entertainment. We enjoy different kinds of program on it, such as music, drama, jazz, matches, and movies. All of these programs we can watch on television, and we can get entertainment. On the radio, we hear all kinds of music from different radio stations. So on radio we can listen music. We listen to drama in different languages. In newspaper we read humorous essays, stories, and sports news. So on newspaper we can read different stories, different humorous essays, and sports news to get information as well as entertainment. What happens when media is allowed to play its role unchecked? So if we don't check the role of the media, what happen? What drawbacks we can face? If media is allowed to play its role unchecked, it may spread false news against the government. So if we don't check the role of media and we leave the media unchecked, what happen, it will spread fake news against government. It may speak in the favor of opposition, and media can also try to speak in the favor of opposition unnecessary for its self-interest and excite people against the government. It may overthrow a government through its fake propaganda, and it can also overthrow any government due to its fake propaganda. And on dishonest media is dangerous for a peaceful society, and it is also danger for a peaceful society. These are the 4 questions you have to learn, and also do these questions on your NEET notebook. The last question you will do it to your own. It is your home task. That is your work today. I hope you will do it and you will follow my instructions. Allah Hafiz class.